guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? I have another Kmart haul. I went to Kmart the other day with the intention in my head of doing a $300 Kmart haul. Just so you know, upfront, honest, I love doing these hauls. You guys really love to see them as well. So I hadn't been to Kmart for a while. They do have their Christmas range in stock. So I did pick up a few things. In this first bag, we have this Nutcracker. Now this is a rose gold Nutcracker. I picked up a massive one, like that's probably, oh, what's that? Like a meter high or something from Spotlight last year. And it's pretty much the exact same. And this one was $20, but he's rose gold. So he'll go perfectly with my rose gold Christmas theme. I love him. The rest of the things in this bag are actually these solar lights. Now, I picked up a few solar lights for my garden and they're just the regular $2 ones. These ones are $1.50 and they're candy cane. So basically what you need to do is just take that out, put that in there, and you can stick them in the ground, and then they have a solar panel on the top and then they light up during night. We have a path out the front of our house and I thought it would be really cool to put these outside and then they light up at night during December, and then you can just put them away for the next year as well. These were $1.50, so I picked up 10, I think. I picked up this little vase and this one I think was $3, but I thought it would be really cute with some white roses in the top of it. But this is more so a pot, to be honest. But if you had enough flowers like overflowing the edge of it, it would look really, really cute. I just wanted to experiment with my background, my usual background in my filming room. So I thought that that would be cute with some white roses on top. I did pick up this candle. This is a Prosecco Fizz candle. It was in their Christmas section, in a Christmas present section. I don't know, I hadn't seen them do that before, but this smells amazing. So I just got it for me, and the color matches our theme perfectly. Oh, it smells so good. So that is Prosecco Fizz. I got two little packs of tiny mini baubles. There are some colors that I don't like in these, so I picked up two. These were $2, and I have two miniature trees, so I just thought I could fill them up with these. Okay, I picked up this skirt and it was $15. I'll try it on for you and show you what it looks like, but I just thought it was like the perfect length. I really like how polka dots have like come back in this season. It has an elastic bit at the waist at the back, and then at the front it just like, you know, looks normal, but yeah, so it can fit you if you've had a big lunch or anything like that. I got a size 12 in that one, and it's kind of like a midi length. Should be nice for summer. I also picked up this other skirt. I don't know what it is with red lately, but I've really been enjoying it. This is like a wrap skirt and it has like a frill at the bottom and have to tie it around the waist, but it also has a bit of an elastic waist at the back. Same like the other one. Actually, this isn't even a wraparound skirt. It's just a slip on and go skirt. So you don't even have to waste time trying to wrap it around. That's amazing. But this one's a bit of a maxi skirt, probably midi on some people, maxi on me because I'm a short ass. But that should be really beautiful for summer and I can't wait to wear that. $18 for that one. Oh my God, I didn't. Oh wait, I didn't. That's good. I was like, did I pick up two of those skirts? No, I picked up this dress. Now this dress is another polka dot dress. It's a little bit different to the other one. Try it on and show you as well. But it's just a bit of a halter neck style. So you would have to wear a strapless bra with that, which really annoys me. I picked this one up in a size 14 just because I feel like this material may shrink in the wash. It feels like viscose. Probably is. It has splits down the side. So I got that one in a 14. Haven't tried any of these on yet, so I'm hoping that they look good. But yeah, just some little summer staple items. You can dress up, dress down. This with a bright pink lipstick would look gorge. I have this photo frame and I actually have another one. How much was this? I think that this was like, I don't know, $3 or $4 or something. This is an 8x10, or in the mount, it is 5x7. I am wanting to just put something on the wall in my little office filming room, just so it looks nice. It's pleasing because there's a blank wall in there and it's just dead. I'll just print something off the internet and put it in there, just like something floral. I got this little cactus, I think it's a jewelry holder to be honest, and I just thought I'd experiment with putting different things in my background, so that's why I got this. It was $3, and I know some people love to hate on the cacti like decor. I know some people think that they're really tacky, but I just thought just a little bit of like glimmer in the background would be really cute. I'll see if it works. If it doesn't, it's only $3. I can just take it back as well. This is a strange one. I was just walking through Kmart and I noticed this little silicone sponge thing, but it's not really a sponge, is it? You can't, like brush, I guess. It's a dishwashing brush made from silicone. I was watching, I think it was Louise, what's her surname? A Sprinkle of Glitter. It was a vlog from so long ago and she was using something like silicone based and it doesn't hold bacteria and it's so much better. So I thought that we could try it. Dean's probably gonna hate it, but it was $2. So I thought I'd try it because we have the sponges that you fill up with the dishwashing liquid and they have the sponges that you can change on the bottom of them, and we love them. We've used them for years. They're great to just get in there and rinse off things, but I thought I'd just try this and see how it goes. If it doesn't work, it's no big loss. I have 250 LED warm white string lights. I purchased a set of these last year for our Christmas tree. It wasn't enough, so I'm gonna put 2 sets on it this year and hopefully it'll look really pretty. I'm hoping that they're the same ones. They were, I think, $15. I picked up this gorgeous robe. This one is a size 10 to 12, but it fit okay when I tried it on in store. $17, and it looks so nice and fun for summer. And I really want to do a, this is so lame, but I wanted to do a morning routine coming up, and I wanted a nice robe to wear for it. Like something a bit summery, something a bit cute. And I feel like, you know, putting it on in the morning and getting ready for work or whatever, like it'll just put me in a good mood. So that's why I picked that one with this beautiful paisley print. I did a decorate with me Christmas last year video, and there was one comment that like stuck out to me, not for the wrong reasons, but they said something about Christmas cushions, and I didn't see any Christmas cushions. Like I wasn't looking for them last year, but I found some this year from Kmart. I think that they were $12 each, but this one is a gray with a silver and rose gold or copper reindeer face on it. How cool is that? I just thought that these would look cool on the couch for that Christmas vibe. And I also got this one that said Joy. It's got gold writing on it. It would have looked better if it was rose gold, but it goes with the theme of my house. So that's why I got it. These were all $12 each. So I picked up 4 of these jewelry trays. I think they were $7 each, but I'm hoping, I haven't measured them out, but I have some big jewelry drawers in my built-in closet. And I have, for the longest time, I bought all the stuff. I've been meaning to make my own velvet inserts, and I just haven't done it. And I just thought, I'll see if they fit. So I bought 4 and I haven't tried them in there yet, but these are gorgeous. They're so lovely and your jewelry won't slip and slide in the drawer like I have at the moment. I do wish that there were inserts where you could divide it up into compartments, but it is what it is for $7. I picked up some more baubles. Now, I'm pretty sure these are jumbo sized ones and they did not have these last year. So I picked up 2 of these to go down the bottom of my Christmas tree. These are the same ones that I had last year. And I feel like when I got out the baubles that I had last year for Christmas in July, some of them had faded. I don't know if they faded in the sun or I don't know, but I feel like I need to figure out which ones were faded and go back and get some of the smaller sized ones as well, just to replace the ones that look a bit faded. These were 7 for $6 and they are 10 centimeters. I picked up some Christmas wine bottle bags, like gift bags, except the glitter is going literally everywhere. I should have thought that through. I bought some paper on clearance last year at Maya and it's white with silver on it. So I thought that the silver bags could go with that if we were to end up getting anyone some alcohol for Christmas, because we did do that last year. It was just the easy option. 2 giant lollipop stake lights. So these ones go outside. They are solar powered. They were $16 for 2. Let's open them up and have a look. Last year I bought some outside stuff, which they have again this year, but I didn't actually end up putting it outside because Dean was being a bit of a Grinch about Christmas. I don't know why. What do you do? They are so cool. They're really cool. I actually am a really big fan of those. They're sweet. I can't wait to decorate for Christmas. I did also get 4 candy canes. These ones were also $16. So I got 2 of them. I really would have liked to get more, but then it was just like, just see how they go. If you hate them, then you just have 1 set of them. But anyway, I feel like with the Christmas decks, like you just build up your collection over the years, and that's what it is. Like sometimes, like you want to spend so much money and go big and everything like that, but sometimes you just have to wait until the next year and just slowly build up your collection, and that is okay. So it's okay to have a little bit at a time. Yeah, I think that that's something that I need to learn for myself, and perhaps you might as well. The other weekend, Dean and I actually did a puzzle. It's a puzzle that we've had for years, and it was actually really fun. So I went and bought another puzzle. So this was, I think, $10, and this has 1,500 pieces. The one that we had 500. This is gonna take a long time. One thing I think that if people don't know what to do on the weekend, or it's a rainy day or something, people forget about puzzles. They are actually a really good activity that you can do together as a family or just by yourself, and it leaves you feeling really accomplished once you do it, and you know, it's something a bit productive, like you feel good. So yeah, this is the other frame that I bought. Now this one is 11 by 14 or 8 by 10 with the mount. So again, I'll just print out a picture, but I'll show you what I got to go with it. Is this around the right way? I got this big photo. This was $15, and I wanted to put the frames like side by side and just have 3 pieces of artwork up in the wall because it's a blank wall. I just thought that that was just, you know, something classic. Now I was actually sent some stuff from Kmart, so I wanted to show you that. It's mainly like fashion type stuff. I did get sent this bag, and this is the kind of like perfect bag for summer. So it's a bucket bag type thing. So you have 2 different handles. This one was only $15, like that's so cheap. So it has like a green side and then a smooth side, and yeah, I feel like that will go with some of the things that I'm about to show you as well. So the other day they sent me this dress, and this dress looks gorge. I'll also try it on for you, but it's just a shoestring strap midi dress, and it has a tie at the waist. This one is in a size 12, and I feel like for my boobs right now, it needed a 14. It's really, really pretty. The material feels a bit different. What's it made out of? 59% viscose, 41% cotton. But I just love the patterning of it, and it would go really nice with tan accessories for summer. They did also send me these culottes, and they're like a chambray culotte. These ones are $15, and they are so comfortable. I don't know if I can pull them off, but I will try. Yeah, I don't know how to style these because I'm not typically one to wear pants because I know that they aren't the most flattering thing on me, but we'll see how I style them and put them together. They did also send me this little bag. They sent it with a whole lot of like accessories for the gym. This one's $20. It's just like a little backpack, but it's made up of that like wetsuit material. So it's something that I guess, you know, can go to the gym or you can do outdoor activities with. This bra, like crop top performance bra, and it actually feels really good. It's got some mesh at the back. It feels like really nice and sturdy. They sent me a 12, and I wouldn't have like really any hope of fitting into that, but it's only $10. I was considering getting another one when I was there, but I was just like, no, I don't need it. Kogi, what are you doing? What are you doing? Also sent me these leggings, these workout Stop! They also sent me these workout leggings, which I don't know if they're going to be that flattering on me, but they're pretty cool. So they are the full length leggings, $18, size 12. They feel really nice. The other day they sent me some earrings. Oh my God, these are so adorable. So there's these little rose gold pairs. There's 6 pairs and they are $4. So you get 3 sets of danglies and 3 sets of studs. They look stunning. And then we have these tassel earrings. Now, I was a big fan of their tassel earrings last year, but these ones look gorgeous. Now they are a gold rather than a rose gold, but I think that they look really beautiful. I'm pretty sure that they'll be around $4. I also picked up some more puzzles. These ones are $8 and they're Wacky World jigsaw puzzles, and I thought that we could use them as like presents or something for Christmas, like a little idea, and then this beach one as well. The puzzle that we did the other week, we've had for like probably 15 years in our family, and it's something that you can bring out again and again year after year and do the same puzzle and you will never get tired of it. Yeah, it's just a good family activity that I think that we need to probably bring back a little bit, you know what I mean? So if you have a puzzle, go and get it out of the cupboard and go start doing it. I also picked up these craft bags. I just thought that they'd be handy. They were in the Christmas section, but I thought that I might be able to use them for like little presents or something. They're just like little bags like that. So I thought if I wanted to do like my Christmas cookies again this year, you could just, you know, fold them up like that and have the cookies in there. I don't know, but then you can't see the cookies. So it'd be good if they had like a cellophane window or something in them. You just never know when you need stuff like this. So that is it for my KMART haul. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Well, I know you did already. Like, I mean, I love watching these. You guys love watching them. Yeah, I think I got some pretty cool stuff. So don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.